Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a ton of new makeup for you guys. I have a ton of stuff right over here. I'm super excited to jump right into it, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Before we jump in, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys enjoy unboxings. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel in case you guys have not already. And of course, without further ado, if you guys would like to see all the new makeup I've recently gotten, then just keep on watching. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this. I quickly just wanted to say I'm still working out the lighting, so just bear with me. You guys already know I'm in a new place, new setup. I still have to decorate. I'm still trying to figure out what lighting works and what doesn't work. So let me know in the comments down below how it looks to you, because it would really help me out. So I just wanted to tell you guys that so you guys can help a girl out, because I don't know if it looks good. I don't know if it looks too warm. I just don't know. So anyways, let's jump into the makeup because I'm super excited. So the first thing that I got is the Lorac Pro, the Artistry Book Chapter 2. So I do have Chapter 1, and Chapter 2 is just so beautiful, you guys. Look at how gorgeous this palette is. It's absolutely stunning, and let me just open it up so you guys can see it. So here's what the palette looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the bright shades. Like I said, I do have the first Artistry palette from them. It works really well. The colors are super pigmented, and this brand is very popular in the UK, so I'm really excited to try this. If you guys want to see a tutorial using this palette, definitely let me know. The next eyeshadow palette that I have here is from Glamour Grand Anne. This is what the packaging looks like right here, and I was saying that she is from the UK, and you guys, when I am her age, I am definitely going to be rocking that colorful shadow, and I think this palette is absolutely beautiful. So this is the first product that she launched with her brand, a super bright colorful palette, and online I was like, wow, it's beautiful. And she actually used some well-known UK artists to create a few looks with the palette for her campaign, such as Stacey Marie, which you guys know. She's a fave of mine. She created the Love Tahiti and Carnival palettes. So I'm really excited to test this out, see what the formula is like. It's a completely new brand. So if you guys are interested, let me know, and we could definitely use this in a video as well. The next few things that I got are from Dominique Cosmetics. These are her cream blushes, and I'm so excited for these because I wanted to purchase these for a while, and I actually waited until she had a sale to go ahead and pick them up. So here's what the packaging looks like right here. These are her cream blushes, like I mentioned. So this one right here is Warm Peach. So here's the shade Warm Peach, super pretty peachy shade, definitely up my alley. The next shade that I have here is Soft Pink, also a really beautiful shade as well. And then this last shade is called Natural Rose, which is the darkest one in the collection, but she does wear this one on her skin, and I'm pretty sure that with a light hand you can get a really sheer wash of color. But overall, I think they're all absolutely beautiful. I also picked up the Dominique Cosmetics Blur and Moisture Serum Primer. You guys, I've heard so many good things about this primer. I'm dying to try it. So it does say on here that it's a primer and a serum, of course. And I love the packaging. It's very cute. It's in that squeeze tube packaging, but it does have a pump in case you guys prefer a primer in a tube. This one is in a tube. So this is obviously going to blur like it says. It's also going to moisturize, and I've also heard that it helps to keep your makeup on longer than you would expect. So I'm really excited to give this a shot. The next thing that I picked up is Becky G's new brand. I'm super excited for this as well. So when you open it up, it comes with this card right here, and it just has a little note on the back from Becky G. It just says, thank you for your purchase. I'm so grateful that you're here joining our team. And yeah, it's basically like a thank you card, which I think is super cute. I believe that this is the same print that's on the eyeshadow palette itself. You also get some stickers. That's super cute as well. This is what the stuff looks like inside of the box. So I picked up the eyelash case. I also picked up a ton of her intense liners. I'm super excited for these. She said that you can use these as eyeliners. You can use them on the face. You can also use them on the lips as lip liners. So super cool, super fun. Like I just said, I got a ton of shades, you guys. And you know I had to get the bright shades. So I got the pink. It's called Energy. I got the green. I got the blue. It's called Royal. I got Joy, which is the bright yellow. I also did pick up both of her lashes, which looks super cute as well. I also picked up her 8-piece brush set, and of course the eyeshadow palette itself. So here's what the palette looks like. So just like I said, it looks like the thank you card, which I think is super cute. And when you actually open it up, these are what the shadows look like. So I'm actually pleasantly surprised because when I seen this palette online, I was like, I don't know if I need it. It looks a bit neutral. It looks a bit plain and not really my thing. And then she did a few videos with some really well-known influencers like I Love Sarai, Dominique, which is the founder of Dominique Cosmetics. So when I seen them do looks, I was like, okay, yeah, I need it. So this is what the palette looks like. It's really cute. And the coolest part is the mirror actually detaches from the palette. So when you actually detach the mirror, this is what it looks like. I don't want to blind you guys with the light, but there's also a little message back here from Becky. And then you just go ahead and basically just magnetize it back to the palette. And then you have a mirror. So super cute. So if you guys don't like to be all up in your eyeshadow palette, you can actually detach the mirror and use it that way. So we'll definitely be using these in a video pretty soon. So be on the lookout for that. Alright you guys, the next thing that I got is from Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics. So Jaclyn launched these 3 limited edition glosses for her birthday. This is what the gloss packaging looks like, really cute, and you guys know she's a fave, okay? So every time she launches something, there's like just that little thing in me where it's like I have to have it. So here's the first shade right here. This is the shade Fearless. Just a really pretty kind of like clear but shimmer gloss, very nice. Then here we have the shade Daring. It's a gold gloss, super pretty. And then the last shade is Audacious, which is probably my favorite shade out of all of them. It's kind of like a gold, like champagne-y kind of color. It's so pretty, you guys. I am obsessed. So ABH just launched their summer collection. They launched some blushes, some cream highlighters, some cream bronzers. So the highlighters and the blushes are stick form, and then we have the cream bronzer, which I have right here in my hand. So I got the shade Golden Tan. I love the packaging. It's like that soft matte touch. Very nice. So let's open this up and see the color. It was so hard to choose the color online, so I hope I got a good color that's going to actually bronze my skin. So packaging is really nice too. The cap is also like soft to the touch, which I've never seen before. It's also a really nice size. I hate when brands are creating cream bronzers and it's so tiny, like the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. How are you gonna get a makeup brush in there? It's literally impossible. So this shade actually looks like it's gonna work out well. Like I said, this is the shade Golden Tan. Very nice, and it actually looks very creamy. I'm super excited for this. And then I also picked up 2 stick blushes. I was so excited and so worried that this stuff was gonna sell out that I forgot to get a stick highlight. So I don't know, I'm gonna actually wait because I'm like, girl, maybe it's a sign that you didn't need it. So I'm gonna wait till I see a few reviews, and then if I think I need it, I'll order those. But I got 2 of the stick blushes. This right here is Peachy Keen. That's what Peachy Keen looks like. It's a really beautiful color. And by the way, these do come with like the brush applicator on the other end. I never use those, but just in case you guys do or you want to take it on the go, it does have a brush applicator. And then the next shade that I got is the shade Soft Rose. Soft Rose is really pretty as well. It's a little bit more cool tone than what I'm used to, but nonetheless, it's a really beautiful shade. And then on the website on launch day, if you spent over $75, you got a complimentary shimmer body oil from ABH. This is one of my favorite body oils. It's so beautiful. It has so much shimmer, and I mean a full size for free. I was definitely here for it. So that came with my order as well. You guys, honestly, I don't even remember what I got. So I'm kind of just surprised as you guys are. Oh, I remember getting these. Okay, guys, so these next palettes here, more eyeshadow palettes, I know, but these are the new Juvia's Place, the Rebel collection. So there's a Rebel Honey, which this is what the packaging looks like. So pretty. You also have the Rebel Mints, also really nice as well. And I will open these so I can show you guys what they look like. I also have the Rebel Army, super cute, love Juvia's Place packaging, and then I have the Rebel Grays. So let me go ahead and open these up. They're all taped pretty well, so let me go ahead and pop all these open, and then I'll show you guys what they look like. Alright you guys, so this one right here is the Honey palette. Super pretty warm tone palette. These are eyeshadow quads. As you guys can see, they come with 4 shadows. So this one right here has 3 matte shades and 1 shimmer shade. The next one I have here is the mint one. So the mint one is also absolutely beautiful, except this one comes with 2 matte shades and 2 shimmer shades. Then we also have the green one, which, oh my goodness, looks so beautiful. This one also has 2 matte shades and 2 shimmer shades. And then the last palette from Juvia's Place in this collection is the grays. So here's what the grays look like. It also has 2 shimmers and 2 mattes. So out of all these palettes, only the Honey palette has 3 mattes and 1 shimmer. So I'm really excited for those as well. If you guys want to see another affordable makeup look kind of video where I'm using a ton of affordable things, let me know and I'll definitely be sure to feature these Juvia's Place palettes in that video. My gosh, you guys, I'm so excited for this. Okay, so this right here is the Colourpop Powerpuff Girl collection. You guys already know I was gonna get this collection. When is there not a Colourpop collection that I do not buy? It's unheard of. So I basically got the entire collection. So this collection is super freaking cute, you guys. It comes with so much stuff. So it comes with these hair clips, which are really freaking cute. I want to do a video with this as well, just so we can use the hair clips. So here's what the hair clips look like. Look how cute. So adorable. And then it also comes with a gloss set. These are all roller glosses, also super freaking cute. And I also heard that these are actually scented, which I'm really excited for. It also comes with 2 lip mask duos, which they look like this. Super cute as well. And then you also have some eyeshadow sticks, I believe. It comes with 3 of them. It also comes with 2 blushes. I'm not going to go too in depth because I'm going to actually do a video with this, and you guys can see everything in depth there. It's so cute. I love it. And this palette actually has weight to it. I feel like Colourpop's palettes are usually super light, but this one feels a little heavy. So this is what the palette looks like. Also, the pan sizes are much bigger. So here's what the palette looks like. It's very pretty, very vibrant. I love how they incorporated all 3 shades, the green, the pink, and the blue. There's also shimmers in here, and there looks like there's a few pressed glitters, which I'm not a fan of Colourpop's pressed glitters, but we'll have to test them out and see. You guys, this is the last thing that I got as of recently. You guys already know I already did some other damage, but let me show you guys what I got. So this right here is Jaclyn's new summer collection. So I know she's been getting a lot of heat for this collection because of her bronzer shades. So her bronzer shades, definitely in my opinion, she could have went so much darker. I feel like she brought out a lot of light shades, especially the super fair one. And didn't bring out enough darker shades, but I really wanted to get my hands on it, so I did. So this right here is the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics cream bronzer in the shade Beachy, and she did also say that these are also going to become permanent eventually, and she's going to bring out so many more colors, so I look forward to seeing how deep the colors are actually going to go. So here's what the packaging looks like right here. It's really beautiful. I love the detail of it. This whole campaign was absolutely stunning. Like, she looked beautiful. And like I said, this one right here is the shade Beachy, which looks really good. It looks pretty deep. I think it's gonna work well for me. It might even be a little bit too deep, but we'll have to see. I also picked up one of her liquid highlighters. This right here is what the packaging looks like. So beautiful. I love the bronze box. It's so nice. And I got mine in the shade High Gleams, I believe it's called. So here's what the packaging looks like right here, and I actually want to swatch this. Holy crap, look at that. It's so pretty. Wow, that's beautiful. I also picked up this, which, bear with me, I think these are the highlighters. Yes, I also got her putty highlighter. I got the shade Star Power. And I'm curious to see what this formula is like. If it's like loose, if it's like a powder, like a putty highlight. So here's what the packaging looks like. And then this is the putty highlight. It looks really beautiful. I'm excited to see what the formula is like, especially because we all know Jaclyn is known for her highlighters. So we will see. And then I also picked up a few of the lip oils. I love me a good lip oil. So let me just show you guys really quickly. So I got a few shades. I got the shade Rose Drip, Candy Drip, and the clear one. So I won't show you guys the clear one because obviously it's clear. but let me show you guys these. So this is the super bright pink one. She did say these are super sheer, so they look a little bit intimidating, but it's so nice. It's not even coming off as pink it is. It's like a hot, bright pink, but it looks red on camera. And then I have this one here. Super pretty as well. I'm really excited for this. It's like a baby doll pink. It is so gorgeous. I am obsessed. And then I got the clear one, which, you know, it's just basic. I figured I could just throw it on right before bed after doing my skincare. I also got I got another putty highlight. I thought I only picked up one, but it looks like I got two. So this one is in the shade Skylight. This one's also super beautiful as well. I think I'm gonna like this color more than the other one. So here's this one right here. It's more of a gold undertone, which I love. Super excited for this as well. All right, you guys, so those are all of the recent makeup items that I recently purchased. Of course, as always, down below in the comments, let me know what you guys want to see in videos. Let me know if you picked up any of these things. I'm so happy to be back and filming. I have a ton of content coming at you, so make sure, like I said, that you guys subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos. As always, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.